This lesson is on how to recognize proportional relationships. A proportional relationship is when all the ratios of y to x in a situation are equal to each other. So every ratio has to be equal to each other in order to have a proportional relationship. One regular hexagon has a side length of 2 centimeters and a perimeter of 12 centimeters. A second regular hexagon has a side length of 3 centimeters and a perimeter of 18 centimeters. Is the relationship between the perimeter and the side length of the hexagons proportional? So in order for it to be proportional, that means that y divided by x has to be the same for every situation in the problem. Y is always going to be your dependent variable, and x is going to be your independent variable. So the x is what changes first, and the y value changes based on the x value. So in this case, the y is going to be the perimeter, and the x is going to be the side length. So for the first hexagon, the perimeter is 12, the side length is 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. For the second hexagon, perimeter is 18, side length is 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Since the numbers are equal to each other, then we would say that the relationship between the perimeter and the side length is proportional. Second problem, they're giving us a table and we want to know if x and y have a proportional relationship. To have a proportional relationship, y divided by x has to be the same for every situation in the table. So I'm going to do 5 divided by 2 to get 2.5. Now I'm going to go to the next one. 7.5 divided by 3 is also 2.5. But remember, it has to be the same for all of them. So even though I did 2 that are the same, I have to check all ratios. 12.5 divided by 5 is 2.5. 18 divided by 8 is 2.25. Now since 2.25 is not equal to 2.5, we would say that this table is not proportional. Is the relationship between the number of tickets sold and the number of hours proportional? The tickets depend on how many hours they've been selling them for. So the tickets is y, the hours is the x. So I'm just going to check if y divided by x is the same. 240 divided by 3 is 80. 400 divided by 5 is 80. 720 divided by 9 is 80. Since I got the same number for each ratio, they're all equal to 80, we can say that this table is proportional.